For example, sinabi ko na, lulubog ang barko or the boat is sinking, group yourselves into two. Ilan po ba yung two? Dalawa. Siyempre maghahag yung dalawa. For example, kami ni Kuya, two kaming dalawa, di ba? Okay, ganon. And then kung sino naman yung walang partner ay matatanggal na sa game natin. Alright, marunong ba sila mag-count? Sabayin na ako. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay na. Okay, very good. Magagaling silang mag-count. Alright, let's start our first round ng The Boat is Sinking. Officers, bagay na lang sila. For our first round, the boat is sinking, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 3.
No, 3 daw, saying 3.
Pwede silang tulungan ng mga officers. Okay, 3. Ay, wow, walang natanggal. Alright, very good. Ay, may 4? Okay, may 4. Sino yung matatanggal sa kanila? Ma'am, nakita mo sino yung last? Ay, hindi. Sige, repeat na lang tayo. Okay, let's form a big circle ulit. Hawak ulit na kamay. Alright, very good naman ang mga kids. Okay. Makinig na kay Kuya. Nakikinig na ba sila? Shake your body, shake your hands. Kaya mo nakikinig na kay Kuya? Okay. The boat is sinking, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 5.
5. 5 yate.
Asa lang 5. Oh. Okay, last na si ate. Okay, opo na kay Mami and Daddy. And of course, guys, palakpakan mo natin si baby. Ang galing nilang magbilang. Alright, next naman is let's form a big circle. Don't worry guys, mayroon pa tayong prizes. May next game pa tayo and pwede pa kayong manalo later. Okay. Makinig ka kay Kuya? The boat is sinking, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 4. 4. Sabi lang si Kuya ng 4. Okay. 4, 4, and 4. So that means na-eliminate na sila, baby. Okay, pwede mo silang umupo kay Mami and Daddy. Okay, si Kuya ay stay dito sa kanya group. Okay, let's form. Napansin ko lang po, parang hindi nila alam na naglalaro kami. Okay. Okay lang yan. Nandiyan naman sila Mami and Daddy or ang officers natin sa side. Okay, let's form a big circle ulit.
Sila, Mar.
Yan lang sila. Okay, hold hands tayo kay Kuya. Ayan, very good. Opo. Okay. The boat is sinking, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 3.
3 kaya 3. Saying 3. 3.
Okay, nasa yung 3. Okay, silang 3. Tawang-tawa ko si Kuya. Okay, si Kuya at si Ate. Very good naman. Palakpakan natin sila guys. Sila ay wala na po sa game. Alright, yung mga natira naman ay let's hold our hands ulit. Okay. O, hawak ulit ng kamay kay Kuya tsaka kay Kuya. Ayan. Ayan o. Alright. Okay, the boat is sinking, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 4.
4, yan.
4.
Yan.
Okay, 4.
Sama dito, sama.
Okay, 4 na sila. That means ilagay na si Ate. Okay, palakpakan natin si Ate. Very good. And then yung 8 naman ay dito na sa gitna ulit. Big circle. Okay, ready? Into 6. 6.
6.
Okay. Wala na sila ate and kuya. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Very good. Okay. Big circle. The boat is sinking. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 4.
Apat din nila.
Okay. Last na sila kuya. Okay. Sit down na sila. Very good. And yung 4 naman, meron silang process. Very good.